Hi everyone, today I'm going to be making chocolate hummus. So what all goes into the chocolate hummus? 15-ounce can cooked chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 3 tablespoons tahini, 3 tablespoons hot water, and a pinch of salt. So let's begin. Alright, so I have my KitchenAid food chopper here. What I will do is pour in the can of rinsed chickpeas, the 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. It's supposed to be 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. Considering it's chocolate hummus, I guess I need to have the right amount of cocoa powder. I'm glad I caught that in time. The 1/4 cup of maple syrup, the pinch of salt, the 3 tablespoons of tahini, and the 3 tablespoons of hot water. Put your lid on. Move it over to puree. We'll puree it for 35 to 40 seconds. Scrape down the sides as needed. Add more water if you need to. I'm going to add just a little bit. I'll just add 1 more tablespoon. You don't want it too runny because you're going to be using it as a dip. Put the lid back on. Make sure it goes down completely. Make sure it is engaged. And then just run that until it is nice and creamy. I'm going to add a little bit more water. It is still a little stiff. I've never had hummus, so I don't know what the consistency is supposed to be like. Now I want to mention the inspiration for this is from Paige and Flannery. She made some kind of a chocolate dessert using the chickpea juice. I'm not sure what that is called. I'll throw that up on the screen. But it looked really, really good, so I figured I like chocolate. So I want to try this and see. So I'll put her link down in the description box below. So this is what it looks like. I think it looks really, really good. So this, of course, does not have any preservatives in it, so you can only keep it in the refrigerator for about 4 to 5 days. But if it's as good as I think it's going to be, it won't last that long. So I'll put that in the refrigerator until Dave gets home and he can do a taste test. So here's the chocolate hummus, and we have pita chips to use for dipping. So let's see what Dave thinks.
What is this?
Chocolate hummus.
Smells like chocolate frosting.
It does.
Is that dark chocolate?
It's just regular cocoa powder.
So it's a little bit bitter, maybe?
So it's not sweet enough for you?
It's not. It's not, I don't know exactly how to explain it. It kind of tastes like dark chocolate to me, so I think a little more sweetener. I prefer milk chocolate, so
Can you taste the chickpeas?
I don't think so. It's mostly just the chocolate. So I don't know what I was expecting because I don't know what this was, but it's not bad, but it's not my favorite thing so far. So
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.